Tired of guessing which products will actually sell for your dropshipping business? You're in the right place. Our first step is identifying potential demand using Google Trends. This free tool shows you what people are searching for on Google, helping you spot rising trends before they become saturated. Next, we delve into product marketplaces. Browse sites like AliExpress, Amazon, and Etsy. Look for products with a high number of orders, consistently positive reviews, and a strong seller rating. Now, let's analyze the competition. Find similar products on Shopify and other platforms. Evaluate their pricing, product descriptions, customer reviews, and especially their advertising. Are they running successful Facebook ads? That's a good indicator. For deeper insights, consider using paid advertising spy tools. These platforms reveal what competitors are advertising, their ad creatives, and which audiences they're targeting. This is gold for understanding what's resonating with customers. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Scroll through platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Search for relevant hashtags and observe what products are going viral or being enthusiastically shared by influencers and users. Finally, the key to success is testing. Choose a few promising products and run small, targeted ad campaigns to gauge interest. Monitor metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and cost per acquisition to identify your winning product. By following these proven methods, you'll move beyond guesswork and start discovering products that will truly drive sales and revenue for your Shopify dropshipping store. Happy researching!